Let's begin with a simple but uncomfortable question. If your job stopped paying you tomorrow, how long could you honestly stay afloat? A week? A month? Maybe a few months if you cut everything down to the minimum. Most people don't like thinking about that question, and that's exactly why it's important. Because the truth is this: many people are not building a financial future. They're just trying to survive the next payday, and depending on one income, one job, one paycheck, feels safe until the day it isn't. One company decision, one medical emergency, one bad season in the economy, one unexpected bill. That's all it takes to shake a life that looked stable yesterday. This video is about preventing that moment. Today, I'm going to walk you through 7 income streams that can help you build real financial strength over time. Not through luck, not through shortcuts, but through steady, realistic steps. And if you stay until the end, I'll reveal the biggest reason most people never build wealth. It's not laziness, it's not lack of intelligence, it's something far more common. Let's get into it. The pattern most people fall into. There's a cycle I've seen again and again. People work hard, they pay bills, they take care of family, they handle responsibilities, and they tell themselves they'll get serious about money later. Later, when work slows down. Later, when the kids grow up. Later, when debt is lower. Later, when life feels easier. But later has destroyed more financial futures than failure ever has. Because while people wait, time keeps moving. And time is the one ingredient money needs the most. The people who end up with choices in life didn't start because they felt ready. They started because they realized something simple. Depending on one income is too fragile. So let's break down the 7 income streams that can help you build something stronger. 1. Dividend income. Dividend income is one of the quietest ways to grow money. It's not dramatic. It's not flashy, but it works. When you own shares of certain companies, they share a portion of their profits with you. It's like receiving a small paycheck simply for being an owner. And when you reinvest those payments, your money begins to grow on top of itself. Slow at first, then faster, then surprisingly fast. This is how small, consistent steps turn into big results over time. 2. Index funds. The second stream is index fund investing. Most people lose money because they try to pick the next big stock. They chase hype. They panic when prices fall. They buy high and sell low. Index funds remove the guessing. Instead of choosing one company, you own tiny pieces of hundreds. You grow with the overall market. You don't need to be clever. You just need to stay consistent and avoid emotional decisions. Long-term calm beats short-term panic every time. 3. REITs. The third stream is REITs, or real estate investment trusts. Think of them as a way to earn from real estate without owning a building yourself. No tenants, no repairs, no late-night emergencies. You simply invest in companies that own income-producing properties, and you receive a share of the earnings. It's not as big as owning a building outright, but it's far easier to start. And easy to start is often the difference between action and delay. 4. Knowledge income. The fourth stream is income from what you already know. Your skills, your experience, your lessons, your solutions. Someone out there needs what you've learned. You can turn your knowledge into guides, templates, digital products, short courses, coaching, ebooks, or tutorials. You don't need a huge audience. You just need to solve a real problem for real people. Your experience has value even if you don't see it yet. 5. Rental property. The fifth stream is rental property. This is powerful, but let's be honest, it's not passive. It's not effortless. It's not magic. It's a business. There will be repairs, there will be vacancies, there will be challenges. But if you choose wisely, run the numbers, and treat it like a business, rental property can build wealth in 2 ways: monthly cash flow and long-term property value growth. Start with one property. Learn, then decide if you want more. 6. Interest income. The sixth stream is interest income. Most people spend their lives paying interest, but you can also earn it through bonds, lending platforms, or private notes. You can put your money to work and receive interest payments in return. It's not risk-free, but it adds another layer of stability to your financial life. And the key is diversification. You don't want all your income streams reacting to the same economic conditions. 7. High-yield savings. The seventh stream is the simplest. High-yield savings. This won't make you rich, but it prevents your cash from losing value. Money sitting in a weak account is slowly being eaten by inflation. Money in a high-yield account earns more while staying safe. Small gains matter. Small wins add up. Small habits build strong foundations. The real enemy: waiting. Now let's talk about the biggest reason people never build wealth. It's not lack of intelligence. It's not lack of opportunity. It's not lack of effort. It's waiting. Waiting for the perfect moment. Waiting for more money. Waiting to feel ready. Waiting for life to calm down. But perfect moments don't come. Life doesn't slow down. And readiness doesn't magically appear. You don't need perfect conditions. You need a beginning. One account opened. One habit started. One stream chosen. One step taken. Wealth is not built in a single leap. It's built in repeated steps. Emotional control, the hidden skill. There's another challenge people face: emotions. When markets rise, people get greedy. When markets fall, people get scared. Both reactions cost money. The people who build wealth aren't the smartest. They're the calmest. They follow a plan. They stay steady. They don't let fear make decisions for them. Because fear has never once predicted the bottom of the market. Maybe you're thinking, I should have started years ago. Maybe. But the second best time is still now. You don't need all 7 streams today. You don't need to become a financial expert. You don't need to transform your life overnight. You just need to stop standing still. Choose one stream. Learn it. Start small. Stay consistent. Your future won't be built by wishing. It will be built by what you start today. If you're ready to take your financial future seriously, write this in the comments. I'm starting with 1. And if you want more simple, powerful lessons on money and financial freedom, subscribe and turn on notifications. Your future self will thank you for the decision you make right now.